guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the Mariposa Mayhem Polygel Kit by MAKARTT. It is a collection. It has a gel polish and nail decorations as well. So let me first show you what comes with the nail decoration. So here's the decorations you get. Very pretty. We have butterfly glitters and then some butterfly charms. And then you just get a pack of butterfly stickers. And you get some gel polishes. So those are all the, oops, it's upside down. I knew something looked wrong. This is what it was supposed to look like. Anyway, yeah, these are the gel polishes. Very pretty. And I also got some more butterfly stickers. These are like hollow ones. And lastly, we have the polygel kit. So here's everything you get. You first get some more butterfly stickers. And then we also have some dual forms. Ew. And then we have some more nail decorations. Then we have a hand file, which is 100-180 grit. A polygel brush. We have base coat and top coat. And here are the polygels. Let's get swatching. So here is the first polygel color. It's called Rebirth. The next color is Morpho. I read that correctly. I couldn't get it open correctly, so this is the best we got. Oh no, I got napkin in it. Oh man. What kind of polygel do you have? Napkin flavored. It's like the next color is Chat Up. Ooh. And the last color is Wings. So here are all the colors. I'm gonna cure these and we're gonna get right into this nail set. Before we get started, I also have these e-files from MAKARTT. We're gonna open it and see what's in here. Where there's a drill, there's a way. So this one is the rechargeable nail drill. Huh? It just clips to your shirt. All right, so here's the drill and here's like, you know, the power device. It's going. It shows the numbers. You probably can't see it. Look with your eyes. Yeah, so it's showing the, oh, that's a little fast. That's pretty cool. So look how cute and tiny it is. It's rechargeable, so I guess it just needs a little minute to charge. And then you can unplug it from the power source and use it. Here's the nail drill stand, you know, and just put your nail drill here. Comes with some nail drill bits. And here's the nail drill. It's pretty cute and like very tiny and out of the way. Now we're gonna look at this professional nail drill. There's a lot in here. Oh, wow. Afraid. This is too high tech for me. And look how good this looks, though. What's that for? The foot. Plug it into this. Change setting to foot. Oh, no. Things are happening on this dial. Oh. Oh, God. What the fuck? She's like, come on, let me get around the cuticle. It's quite nice.
I don't like the foot feature. It's a little weird.
It's so
you don't have to turn it off or on.
So it's just like, oh, let me get my goddamn nail drill. You know what? I like that. My foot. No, I actually like the foot feature. I'm keeping it like that. Yeah, she's working unplugged. This is wireless. Wow. Okay, impressed. Very happy, honestly. Like, this is gonna come in handy.
Y'all gonna have to excuse me for this nail. Just don't look at it. It's bad.
I'm gonna take my nail clippers and we're just going to cut off this excess growth. We're gonna push back the cuticles. Just push back those cuticles. Okay, I'm using it for the first time, this nail drill. Next, I'm going to go in with my cuticle scissors and I'm going to cut off that excess dead skin. Now I'm just going to smooth out the free edge. And next, I'm going to remove the shine from the nails. The only thing I will say about this nail drill is that it goes a little bit too fast for what I'm comfortable with, like working on the natural nail. Yeah, that's kind of sad because I like to use the nail drill for when I'm removing the shine instead of a hand file. It's just way easier. I don't know. Yeah, like the other one was like, could go slower than this. The power control is too powerful, it can't go slow. So here are the nail tips I'm going to be using. You can move. These are from MAKARTT. on Amazon, and yeah, I'm just gonna be using these today. I'm just gonna clean off the nails. So I just got my KDS glue, and I'm gonna be gluing on these nail tips. Alright, now I'm just going to take my hand file and I'm going to reshape these nails a little bit. Next, I'm going to be removing the shine from the nail tips. And after, I'm going to be wiping them down with some isopropyl alcohol. Next, I got some Young Nails primer. So I'm just gonna go in with some base coat now. I'm gonna put a layer of base coat on each of the nails. I'm first gonna go in with this pink polygel. Start off with this, I guess. I don't really know what I'm doing. So for this nail set, we're going to be doing some nails ombre and other nails just fully one color. I'm first going to go in with this pink color, and usually I do my ombres, like I start with the tip color and then I do the cuticle area color. But my younger sister, she just wanted me to do it the other way around. I don't know. She said she wanted more purple, and the tip of this nail color is going to be purple. So I just thought doing the pink first would, like, you know, it'll be covered up with the purple. I don't know, but I go back to doing it the regular way. I always do it later on the other nails. Okay, now I'm gonna take this purple polygel and I'm gonna put it up tip here. And now I'm going in with the purple color. I wanted to use all the colors in this nail set, so I kind of did a design that I thought would look best using all the colors. I'm doing both of her hands, so one hand I'm using the purple and the pink, and the other hand I'm using the green and a blue gel polish. I wanted to use that like orangey shimmer polygel so badly, but I just didn't know how to fit it in the nail set. But that color is so beautiful.
I'm at a nail appointment, finally! So shut your trap and stop texting the damn group chat!
Perfect.
I'm at a nail appointment, finally! So shut your trap and stop texting the damn group chat!
But what did I turn into? A middle-aged lady! And now on the middle finger, I'm just doing a full purple nail. I wanted to use this dark purple gel polish, and I thought if I like added it in on top of the polygel, it would kind of marble a little bit, but no, it just disappeared. Like, you can even tell I put that on. So just ignore that part. I didn't need to do that. And now on the ring finger, I'm going in with the pink polygel, and I'm just going to smooth that out as well. I really love these polygel colors. I love that iridescent shimmer. They're just so beautiful. I really love these colors. And I really wish I got to use that orange color, but it's okay. Maybe next time or in another set, I'll get the chance to use it. And on the pinky nail, I'm just doing an ombre again, but I'm reversing the colors. So on the pointer finger, I did a pink to purple ombre, and on the pinky finger, I'm going to be doing a purple to pink ombre and adding those butterflies in the middle as well. And for the last finger on this hand, the thumb, I'm doing a full purple nail, and I added that gel polish again because my younger sister said that it adds more glitter, so I just did it to make her happy. And yeah, I'm doing this nail set on my younger sister, Kat's Utis, as you all may know her as. So for the next hand, I'm going to be doing blue and green, but I don't have a blue polygel. There wasn't a blue polygel in this kit, so I just created my own. I took some clear polygel and mixed it with that dark blue gel polish. I got a nice blue polygel. So on the first finger, which is the pointer finger, I'm doing an ombre again. I'm basically doing the same pattern as the other hand, just, you know, different colors. So I'm going in with the blue color first, and I'm going to be adding the butterflies as well.
next I'm going in with the green polygel, which I think the green and that orangey color are my favorite polygels in this kit. The green is just so beautiful. It really, I don't know, this color just really brings out that shimmer iridescent look, and I really love it. Yeah, I'm just gonna be ombreing that into the blue, and I'm gonna be adding some more butterfly glitters on top because the other butterfly glitters kind of got covered up. And on the middle finger, I'm going in with the blue, just the blue color, and doing a full nail of that. And then on the ring finger, I'm going in with the green. Let me know in the comments which polygel color is your favorite. I can't get over the blue and that orangey color. Let me know which polygel color is your favorite out of the 4. And if you like that blue color that I created too. And yeah, on the pinky nail, I'm doing an ombre again, but this time blue to green. And then on the thumb, I'm just doing a full green nail because I really love this green polygel. Because I was supposed to do the dark blue, but I love the green too much, so I went with the green. And now I'm going to be encapsulating those butterfly glitters with some clear polygel. And this is also encapsulating the ombre as well. Next, I'm just wiping off that sticky layer from the nails.
All right, now I got my hand file and my dust collector, and we're gonna start filing these nails.
So yeah, we're gonna start reshaping these nails. I really love how this nail set is turning out so far. I think it's really cute. It's not really my younger sister's style. My younger sister likes edgy stuff, dark colors, stuff like that, stiletto nails. But she doesn't really get a say in the nail sets. She just let me do whatever I wanted, so I did this. She does get a say in her nail sets when she wants them, all right? That was just a joke. Really love using these MAKARTT nail tips. I don't know, it's a little random, but I really love these MAKARTT nail tips. They just, they shape so well. I don't really use them because I don't like short nails, but for my younger sister and my mom, they like shorter nails. These nail tips are perfect. I love the way they shape. They just shape so well and perfect square shape. But anyways, if you guys are interested in this MAKARTT polygel kit, I really love this kit. I think it's really cute. It was a good addition to my polygel collection. I don't know, I think it's a good idea, and I like all these polygel kits that MAKARTT is coming out with. They have the mermaid one, this butterfly one, they have the Valentine's Day ones, and another polygel kit they sent me is like this is the candy one. I don't really remember what it was called, but it's like candy themed, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use that polygel kit. All the information for this kit will be in the description. You can use the code nailsbyvic on the MAKARTT website for 15% off. And yeah, I do recommend this polygel kit. I think it's really good. Everything worked well. The polygels are always good, like always. I really like the consistency of MAKARTT polygel. I don't know, it just stays in place so well, and it's easy to mold. You get that little decoration pack of the butterfly glitters and the charms. I really like those butterfly charms because I always wanted to use something like that, but I just never had them. All the stickers, and it just comes with a lot of good decorations. So yeah, I do recommend the kit.
Okay, I'm gonna take my rhinestone gel and get some of that and put it on the nail here.
So yeah, after I'm done shaping and filing, I'm going in and adding those butterfly charms. I'm using this rhinestone gel, and then I'm painting a layer of top coat over that, and without curing, I'm adding in the butterflies. For the butterfly colors, I did like the opposite. So on this green nail, I added blue butterflies. They're kind of hard to tell the colors, but yeah. I added blue butterflies, and then on the blue nail, I did green butterflies. And the same thing for the pink and purple nails. I did the opposite colors, pink and purple. Alright, and now that the decoration is on, I'm going to be finishing off this look with some top coat. And I'm going to go in with some Dipped and Dusted Nails cuticle oil and put a drop of that on each of the nails. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I think these nails turned out really cute, and I really had no idea what nail style I wanted to do for this video. But I think it turned out good. I'm happy that I used most of the colors. Sadly, not that orange color, but we'll get over it. And I really like the contrast of the different nail colors on each hand. We did a purpley pink on the one hand and then a blue and green on the other hand. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was having fun during this video, in the beginning especially. I'm like really proud of myself. I've posted 3 videos now in a timely manner. Besides that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time.